How to turn on or turn off auto remove times and dates from calendar titles on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on calendar app. After click on calendar app, click on the straight line icon and click on settings icon. Now in calendar settings, scroll down, and you will see remove titles from alerts is here. If you want to turn off remove titles from alerts, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see removed times from title is turn off. If you want to turn on remove times from titles, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see remove times from title is turn on. You will turn on or turn off remove times from titles from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off auto remove times and dates from calendar titles on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.